Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So let's start the video. So you can see this one is very beautiful decoration, the wall, the bed and all, looking very beautiful decoration and all. This also you can see the very beautiful the green color theme decoration. You can see very beautiful decoration and the wall and the lights and all, the lamps and all, very beautiful. This also the beautiful bathroom, modern bathroom. You can see the wall decoration, blue color bathroom and all, the floor white color. And this also you can see the means purple or pink color. It is also very beautiful, the floor, the roof, the wall and all, very beautiful decoration. It's also very beautiful. You can see the bed, you can see the beautiful bed and the wall, beautiful decoration and the curtains and all, very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the wall, the flowers, the very beautiful decoration. It is really nice and it's also very beautiful. You can see the floor, floor is very beautiful decoration, and you can see the wall also very beautiful, the roof also very beautiful, lamp and all. And this also you can see the blue color, green color lights and all, and the blue color, everything is blue color, very beautiful. It's looking amazing. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the wall, the curtains and all, very beautiful, silver color. The floor also wooden theme, very beautiful. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the bed backside. You can see the wall and all. It is looking very beautiful decoration, very good also. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the wall, the lights and all, the lamps and all, very beautiful. The lights and all looking very good, and the floor, the white theme also very beautiful. And so also you can see the pink color bed and all, the wall, the floor also wooden theme, the mat and all, very beautiful decoration, very good. And so also you can see the floor, the bed, the roof, the wall and all, very beautiful decoration. You can see looking very good. It's also very beautiful. You can see the wall, the pink color wall alone on the bed. You can see the side corner. You can see very beautiful. And this also very beautiful. You can see the wall and all, and the floor, and the bathroom is very beautiful. You can see the mirrors also it is there. And this also you can see the wall, the decoration of wall is very beautiful. The lights and all, backside lights looking very beautiful. And also you can see the purple color bed and all, in the wall, the frame and all, very beautiful frame, and the bed and all looking very good. And also you can see the pink color bed and also. I hope you like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me down, press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you'll get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.